Welcome to the future of road travel. Today, we're diving into the heart of this groundbreaking motorhome, the AI-powered tech dashboard. Not just a control center, but an intelligent, adaptive interface that redefines the way we experience driving, comfort, and entertainment. Let's explore what makes this dashboard the ultimate driving experience. At first glance, you'll notice the clean, minimalist design. A large, seamless touchscreen that takes center stage. Gone are the days of cluttered dashboards with knobs and buttons. In their place is a state-of-the-art, AI-driven control system that integrates every aspect of your journey into a single, intuitive interface. Every function, from climate control to navigation, is at your fingertips, and voice-activated commands make it easier than ever to manage your driving environment. This is next-level automation at its finest. As we move further inside, the interior of this motorhome is a true marvel. Step into a space designed for both function and luxury. The materials are sleek and contemporary, with premium leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and modular components that make the space feel open yet cozy. Whether you're lounging or driving, the experience is elevated by the advanced tech and smart design. Let's start with the touchscreen display. This high-definition OLED panel is the centerpiece of the dashboard. It serves as the hub for all media, navigation, and vehicle settings. Whether you're planning your next stop or controlling the in-vehicle entertainment, everything is controlled from this one central point. Switching between navigation, media, and vehicle diagnostics is seamless, thanks to the interactive controls. No more fumbling with multiple devices or screens. Everything you need is at your command, just a swipe away. Moving past the dashboard, you enter the living area. The lounge is equipped with modular seating that adapts to your needs. It's a space designed to serve multiple purposes, whether you're relaxing, working, or converting it into a sleeping area. The panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, offering breathtaking views of the road ahead or the landscape you're passing through. The adjustable LED lighting ensures the right mood, day or night. Perhaps the most impressive feature is the voice-activated control system. With just a simple command, you can adjust the climate, select a new song, or even change the navigation route. It's all about convenience and safety, allowing you to stay focused on the road while effortlessly controlling your environment. The system responds instantly to your voice, making it an intuitive, hands-free experience. It's like having your own personal assistant right at the dashboard. Of course, we can't forget about climate control. The AI climate system analyzes your preferences and adapts the cabin temperature automatically based on external conditions and your personal settings. From heating to cooling, this system ensures you're always comfortable, no matter what the weather is like outside. Plus, the multi-zone climate control feature means that you and your passengers can each set your ideal temperature. The kitchen area is another example of how technology and practicality blend seamlessly in this motorhome. The floating countertop gives the space a modern, airy feel, while the hidden appliances keep the area neat and organized. Whether you're cooking a full meal or heating up a snack, the induction cooktop and smart fridge make it easy to whip up your favorite dishes while on the road. Now, let's talk about navigation. This motorhome comes equipped with a smart navigation system that adapts in real time. The system not only plans your route, but also updates you on traffic, road conditions, and points of interest along the way. Need to make a quick stop for a recharge or fuel? The system will automatically find the nearest station and offer directions to get you there efficiently. Seamless integration with your personal devices makes everything even more convenient. With wireless connectivity, your smartphone, tablet, or other devices sync effortlessly with the motorhome systems. Whether it's taking a call, playing your favorite playlist, or using a favorite app, this dashboard puts your entire digital world in your hands. Moving further inside, the bedroom area is a quiet sanctuary designed for ultimate relaxation. The king-size memory foam bed offers a luxurious sleeping experience, and the modular headboard provides both comfort and storage. With panoramic windows that offer an unmatched view, this is truly a place to rest, recharge, and enjoy the journey. Every inch of this space is designed to provide comfort without compromising on functionality. This isn't just about luxury, it's about safety too. With built-in advanced safety features, the dashboard helps you stay safe while on the road. The lane departure warning and collision alert systems are designed to give you an extra set of eyes, alerting you to any potential hazards. And with 360-degree cameras for parking assistance, maneuvering this motorhome is easier than ever. Now, let's talk about ambience. The ambient lighting system can be customized to match your mood or driving environment. Want a calming blue glow during a late-night drive? Or maybe a more vibrant red during the day? The choice is yours. Interactive lighting not only enhances the cabin's aesthetic, but also works in sync with the system's other features, creating a cohesive and personalized driving experience. As you move through the motorhome, it's clear that the bathroom has been designed with both comfort and efficiency in mind. The fold-out shower saves space without sacrificing comfort, and the chrome fixtures add a touch of luxury. The touchscreen mirror even has real-time weather and entertainment updates, ensuring you're always connected, even in the most private moments. And it doesn't stop there. The dashboard integrates with every part of the vehicle, from suspension adjustments for a smoother ride to performance diagnostics, giving you real-time feedback on your motorhome's performance. Everything is monitored, so you're always informed about the health of your vehicle, whether you're on a long road trip or exploring off-grid locations. With the integration of AI, smart systems, and voice control, this motorhome's tech dashboard is more than just a feature. It's a game changer in mobile living. Whether you're navigating remote roads, managing comfort, or staying connected, this dashboard ensures your journey is always intuitive and effortless. Join us next time as we continue to explore more of this futuristic, high-tech motorhome and dive deeper into the innovations that make it the perfect travel companion for the road ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more on the latest innovations in motorhome design and smart tech. Let us know what you think of this cutting-edge dashboard in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.